What's going on, guys? Shake, we're back with a brand new video. And in today's video, I realize I am not center in the camera. Yeah! So, we have an unboxing for you guys again. I know, right? How original. These are going to be happening for a while. We have an Allosaurus. What's this called? The Roar Attack Allosaurus. I'm very excited about this one. This is my favorite carnivore. I had a knife. Where'd it go? Let's look at the back. So apparently there's a button on the top that you slide, and it has 3 levels of sound. Wow! That was a good impression. Not gonna lie. And yeah, let's get into it. Remember, kids, don't play with knives. I am a professional dumbass. It's fine for me to do it. It's missing something. I don't know if you can tell. Well, at least it has spikes on it, so I can figure out which side's the upright side, unlike that damn T-Rex. What's wrong with this picture? I know what's wrong with this picture. The Allosaurus' tail is too bloody small. Mattel. Are the legs finicky? Because they always are in Allosaurus models. No, they're not. Okay, excellent. Got nice arm movements. Again, the legs are fine. The feet do not rotate, but does it stand? That's the question. It does. Well, hey. The head is always fantastic. You look... It looks like a bloody snake. Here on the side, it looks cool. Okay? It looks fat, is what it looks like. But we'll get past that. Okay, anyway, you have 3 levels of this. You have, or technically 4. You have the closed one. You have the growl, which is not an Allosaurus sound. It's an Indominus Rex sound. You have the second one. Shall we listen to that one? Let's just listen to that one again, and you guys let me know what you think it sounds like. Yeah, that's right. That's the Spinosaurus from Jurassic Park 3. Please tell me there's an original Allosaurus sound. Nope. You have Allosaurus sounds, guys. There have been in Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom and Dominion and Battle at Big Rock. As well as Jurassic World Evolution and Evolution 2. Mattel, I love your models. Your toys are awesome. But that is unacceptable. I'll give them props, though. It's a more original idea than just putting in the bloody T-Rex. For everything. What would I rate this? Out of 10. 6 out of 10. It's not a very playable model, but then again, I'm not talking from a standpoint where I'm going to play with these. These are going to either be on display or sit in a bin. I collect these. I don't play with them. If you do play with these, it's slightly... I mean, let's be honest. When I had a toy that was shit when I was a kid, I didn't know the difference. I could tell if it was just a bad toy. I didn't care, but I could tell. And this is not a great toy, which is sad because Allosaurus, I love Allosaurus. It's one of my favorite dinosaurs. My second favorite dinosaur of all time. I love the Allosaurus stories from like Walking with Dinosaurs with Big Al and all that. And when I finally got introduced to Jurassic World, I was like, yes! The Allosaurus is here! And we got to see a couple seconds of it on screen in Fallen Kingdom, which is fine. I mean, it was there. I was never really a fan of the way it looked. And then we got Battle of Big Rock with like the demon Allosaurus with more of this look. I went, yes, that's awesome. That's an Allosaurus. But this, pick me! This is not the Allosaurus that I remember and that I know. This is an Allosaurus look-alike. This does not look like... This is also an old model. This is an old model. This is not the way Mattel should be making these. This is an Indominus Rex. Or is it a Spinosaurus? Oh, it's slightly disappointing. And if I seem more like hit harder than I would for like a T-Rex or something like that, it's because this is one of my favorite dinosaurs. And I'm just disappointed. However, I will say that the eye is very nice. Hey, come here, look at that. Now, you can't see it, but they have more than one color. It's a base green, but it's got like the Dilophosaur frill color behind the pupil. That's nice. That's nice.
Nice.
I expected more from this. Oh, also, I got this for Christmas, so before the person who gave it to me gets like disappointed or something, I was like, oh, I thought you would like it. I do like it. This is what I wanted. I expected more from it, not from you. You were fine. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here. 6 out of 10 rating for the Allosaurus. I expected more from the soundboard. I expected more from the mold. However, I will say this will be going on display. So if we ever do a room tour again or something like that, you'll be able to see it in the background. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, consider subscribing, click the bell to get notifications on when the latest video comes out. Leave a comment just saying hi, or leave a comment saying how disappointed you are with the way Mattel has been acting recently. And I will see you all later. Bye-bye.